Hello everyone, welcome to PickGadget. Today I'm going to unboxing and review the new JOYROOM JR-T13 True Wireless Earbuds. This pair of true wireless earphones are very attractive and well designed, extremely similar to AirPods, and very good connection. What's in the box? The device comes with a charging case, a pair of wireless earbuds, a short USB-A to USB-C cable. The JR-T13 is one of the best affordable earbud by the quality. No problem pairing it with my phone straight out of the box, easy to use and works exactly as it claimed to be. You can use just one earpiece for quick phone call, either side works. Just take it out of the case, put it in your ear with no extra action and it connects. Okay, I know AirPods do this too, but for a fraction of the price, I am truly impressed by this earphone. Sound quality is very good, mic works well, most people I call didn't notice I am using earphone when I am talking. My expectations were rather low for the price, but I was pleasantly surprised with the amount of bass I heard in some music. They are not exactly noise cancelling in my opinion, but I like hearing my surroundings too. I love that they are charged with a USB Type-C interface for fast wired charging and conversion, and you can also put it on a wireless charger to wireless charging. This means that I can use the same charging cable for about 3 other devices and not have so many cables lying around. For anyone curious to know if someone sitting next to you can hear your music, I believe this is not the case. I took out my earbuds and held them arm's width apart from me, and I was not able to hear the music unless the volume was incredibly high. Overall, I am super happy with these earbuds. Great price and great quality. If you are looking for a more affordable alternative, then these are a very capable and attractive set of wireless earbuds to buy.